Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we are going to see how we can manage playing the animations on our brand new runner. Okay? Perfect. Let's try and do that. So, one thing we can do is open the player animator, which is right here, attached to the player. So double click it. And instead of grabbing the animator from the runner, we are going to grab it from the runner child. Because if you remember well, when opening the runner prefab, we can see that the child of the runner has the animator. Or one other thing we can do is attach the animator to this runner and then call this animator, then get the animator from the runner script. I think it's cleaner this way. So let's double click it. Okay, perfect. And here we are going to add a new header for our elements. Perfect. So let's add a new reference to our animator. Okay, animator. Perfect. And we can also add a method for getting this animator. So let's add it, public animator, get animator, like so. Okay, and we are just going to return the animator. Perfect. Let's go back to Unity now. And we should see a field where we can reference the animator. Awesome. So let's drag our skin 00, drop it here. Let's now open the player animator. And instead of calling the get component method, we are going to call the runner dot, we need the get component method to get the runner component now, and call the get animator method inside of the runner class. Okay, so we are going to do that for the run method and the idle method. Perfect. Let's go back to Unity now. Let's hit play. We can see that the runners are playing the idle animation, and if I hit play, they do run, but it seems that they are going too far from the camera. That's bad. They are passing the enemies. Okay, there is a small issue here, and let's fix that. So if you remember well, when we've opened the run animation, which is right here, if you hit play, you can see that the model is moving along its local Z axis actually. Okay, we don't want that because we are already controlling the movement from the player controller script. To prevent this issue, we are going to select the skin 00 and disable applying the root motion on the animator. Okay, so now we can hit play again, and now it's working properly. Awesome. Okay, let's now add more skins onto our runner prefab, because whenever the player selects a skin, let me show you. So now we can go back to our scene right here. So if the player opens the shop and selects, for instance, this skin, we need to have a way to tell the runner prefab or every runner in the scene to change this current skin to another skin. Okay? So one way to do that, and the one we are going to use, is that every runner will have 9 skins, so like that. 8 of them will be disabled, and the one that the player chose is going to be enabled. Okay? So yeah, let's try and do that in the next session now.